Hello, Junior 3. Hope you are fine. Today we are going to talk about the commutative property. At first, let's remember the commutative property in addition. If I have 5 plus 4 equals 9 and 4 plus 5 equals 9 also, so we note that 5 plus 4 equals 4 plus 5. So adding numbers in different order gives the same sum, which is called the commutative property in addition. Okay, now what about commutative property in multiplication? How do you describe this array? Look, this is called row, and this array has 2 rows and 4 donuts in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 2 rows of 4 donuts are 8 donuts in total, which I can represent by multiplication equation as 2 times 4 equals 8. So the total number here equals 8 donuts. If we have another array like this is called row, and now we have 4 rows. And in each row we find 2 donuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 4 rows of 2 donuts or 8 donuts in total, which you can represent it by multiplication equation as 4 times 2 equals 8. So the total number here equals 8 donuts. So we knew that multiplying numbers in any order gives the same product, as 4 times 2 equals 2 times 4 equals 8, which is called commutative property of multiplication. Complete. And this array, what the number of rows here? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number of rows equals 5. And each row have 1 heart, so number of hearts in each row equal 1. The total number of hearts equals 5. So 5 times 1 equals 5. The next one, I have now 1 row, only 1. So number of rows equals 1. And this row have 5 hearts. So the number of hearts in each digit equals 5. The total number of hearts equals 5 also. So we have 1 row of 5 hearts equals 5 in total, which represent it by multiplication equation as 1 times 5 equals 5. So we know that 5 times 1 equals 1 times 5. Complete. Number of circles. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 big circles. Number of dots in each circle. We have 1, 2. We have only 2 dots in circle. Total number of dots, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 dots in all. So we have 7 circles of 2 dots are 14 dots in total, which you can represent it by multiplication equation as 7 times 2 equals 14. The next one, number of circles, we have 1, 2, we have 2 big circles. Number of dots in each circle, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 dots in each circle. The total number of dots we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 dots in total. So we have 2 circles of 7 dots are 14 dots in total, which you can represent it by multiplication equation as 2 times 7 equals 14. We knew that 7 times 2 equals 2 times 7. Draw another array to get the commutative property of multiplication. Now I have an array which represents 2 times 4, which I have 2 rows and 4 columns, 2 rows of 4 stars in each. To draw another array to satisfy the commutative property of multiplication, we have replaced 2 and 4 with each other. It will be 4 times 2. So Now I have to draw 4 rows of 2 stars in each. The first row, second row, third row, fourth row. Now I have 4 rows and 2 columns. Draw another array to get the commutative property of multiplication. Now I have array 3 times 5. I have 3 rows and 5 columns. I have 3 rows with 5 counters in each. To draw another array to satisfy the commutative property of multiplication, I have to replace the 3 and 5 with each other. It will be 5 times 3. Now I have to draw 5 rows of 3 counters in each. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Now I have 5 rows and 3 columns. Okay, Junior 3, we have finished. Hope you understand. Bye bye.